how to create and customize pipelines and stages inside your Zapify IO sub account. First, go to Pipelines from the left side sidebar and click Add Pipeline. Name your pipeline, example, sales pipeline, and the next, add stages by clicking Add Stage. And name each step like name new lead, contacted, proposal sent, close one. And then you can also drag and reorder stages to match your business process.